cause analysis, also known as RCA, is a method to understand the cause of the problem. The problem can be anything. It could be human error, machine error, process issue, budget issue, organizational issue. In this session, we will learn about root cause analysis, methods, steps, techniques, and how you can use it with examples. There are many techniques to do this, but the two most popular methods are fishbone analysis and 5 why analysis. Technique number 1, 5 whys. This method is simply about asking why over and over again. How to use this? Let's take an example. Let's say you're working for an IT department and there is a server downtime which happens on a recurring basis, and you have been asked to do a root cause analysis. You will write down the first question as why there is a network downtime recurrence. Could be due to server overload. Then you ask the second why. Why is there a server overload? Due to multiple virtual machines running on the same server at the same time. Then you ask the third why. Why there are so many virtual machines running on the same server at the same time? Answer could be due to lack of proper resourcing or monitoring. Then we ask the fourth why. Why there is lack of proper resource allocation? Answer could be due to poor infrastructure planning, let's say. Fifth why will be why there is poor infrastructure planning. Answer will be due to lack of budgets, lack of prioritization, lack of management interest in the IT department. So this way you've got to the root cause of the problem, which you can address to resolve the main issue. More often than not, we always look at symptoms, but when you ask why multiple times, you come to the actual root cause of the problem, which you can then address to have a long-term solution of this recurring issue. Now we come to the second technique, which is the fishbone diagram. It is called like that because it looks like skeleton of a fish. First step, you draw the backbone and you write the problem statement at the end of it. In this case, it is recurring network downtime. Then you sit down with your team and you brainstorm on what are the 4 or 5 probable causes of this particular problem. If there are no causes then you can put down some generic headers like process, people, policies, organization, budget, etc. And under each header you put further the causes of the problem. Oftentimes one problem can have multiple causes and they all need resolution at the same time. So that's where the fishbone helps to identify all the root causes so that the management can look at it and address those challenges. Now you've learned the 2 important techniques of root cause. I will now help you with the step-by-step methodology that you need to take to arrive at this. Step 1 is define the problem clearly and document it. Step 2, collect as much data as you can about the problem. It could be qualitative, it could be quantitative. For example, in this case, there is a network downtime. Collect information such as how frequent the network downtimes happen, how many servers do we have, what are the challenges people face when the system is down. You can also collect qualitative feedback from your team members or from the impacted users and note it down into a simple document that what is the impact of this cause. You could also collect the quantitative feedback like how many orders lost due to 30 minutes of downtime. How long has the problem existed? What are the previous solutions that people have tried? Anything that you can make sense of the problem. Step 3. Sit down with colleagues and brainstorm ideas either in a fishbone or in a YY format and prepare a document. This is called a RCA document. Once you've got a draft ready, avoid moving to solutions too fast. because this is a root cause assessment document. It is not a solution document. So what you need to do is document an RCA, put down potential solutions if you have some, but it's not mandatory, and then send it to your boss that according to you, these are the 5 reasons or causes that could be. Hope you learned something new today.